Two AI giants, one major showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Jasper AI, transforming content creation. And on the right, ElevenLabs, voicing your vision with next-level AI. Let's skip the catchphrases and get to what matters most. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The outcome might seriously surprise you.
All right, so before we dive in, here's the mind map of categories we'll use to compare Jasper AI and ElevenLabs. First up, we've got features, then pricing, content creation, audio capabilities, and finally, use cases. So grab your mental checklist and let's get into it. Let's kick off with features. Jasper AI really comes packed. You get comprehensive writing capabilities, it keeps your brand's voice consistent, plus it tosses in SEO and Grammarly integration. Sounds pretty fancy, right? The flip side, it's kind of on the pricier side. And sometimes, this is a little weird, your output might get flagged by those AI detectors. Now, ElevenLabs, on the other hand, brings some seriously advanced text-to-speech and voice cloning to the table. You can even do dubbing. But here's the catch. It doesn't really offer much in the way of broad content creation. So, if you're about the writing life, Jasper's going to win out here. Okay, transitioning right into pricing, which, let's be real, is always a hot topic. Jasper AI's got the bells and whistles for content creators, but those bells come at a cost. Plans start at $49 a month. Ouch. So you're definitely paying for those features. ElevenLabs, though, super budget-friendly. There's even a free plan. Plus, if you want to upgrade, the paid plans start at just $5 a month. Just remember, those free credits aren't exactly unlimited. Still, for the price, ElevenLabs definitely takes the win here. All right, let's talk content creation. Jasper is like your creative Swiss Army knife. Written content, visuals, over 50 templates to play with. It's got it all. But, if you're hoping for audio content, yeah, not so much. ElevenLabs, they don't do written stuff, period. So if you came looking for blog posts or social captions, you won't find it here. Jasper AI totally sweeps this category. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Did you know AI tools are literally revolutionizing content creation by automating tasks and boosting creativity? You might want to give one, or both, a spin. Moving on to audio capabilities, and honestly, this is where ElevenLabs just crushes it. Jasper AI doesn't do audio. No tools, no features, nada. It's laser-focused on written work. But ElevenLabs? We're talking best-in-class AI voice generation, wild voice cloning, major dubbing abilities. It's honestly impressive. Not a lot of crossover with written content, but in terms of audio, ElevenLabs is the clear winner. Now, let's wrap with use cases. Jasper AI is perfect for marketers and bloggers. Anyone who needs content for their website, socials, different channels, you know? It's super versatile. But if your project is audio-heavy, it might not cut it. ElevenLabs, meanwhile, is a dream for audio content creators. Dubbing studios, voiceover artists. The downside? Not great for traditional marketing copy or blogs. So, in my book, this category is actually a tie. Both absolutely nail their core audience. So, let's take a look at how Jasper AI and ElevenLabs stack up side by side. Jasper dominates on written content and features, while ElevenLabs blows everyone away on pricing and audio performance. And yep, that use case category is neck and neck. All right, so final thoughts. Jasper AI is honestly unbeatable if you're all about content creation for marketing, blogging, or social channels. Seriously, it's the full package. But if you want to level up your audio projects, say for podcasts, voiceovers, or even AI dubbing, ElevenLabs is a total game changer. You can probably guess the winner in each category, but it really comes down to what you need most. So, which one's calling your name? Swing by their sites, try out some free demos, and see what works for you. Discover the best tool for your creative endeavors, and who knows, maybe this is the year you totally unlock your creative potential with AI.